I'm Old Sneelock. Welcome to another episode of Old Sneelock's Workshop. I got a problem. I got a dishwasher that's leaking water on the floor. So now I have to find out what the cause is and how to fix it. I think I got a pretty good idea. I'm going to start by taking the front panel off.
With the cover removed, I can get inside here and see where the water's coming from. Turn on the machine. And it's dripping right out of there. Now is it coming from this way? Going that way? No, it looks like it's coming right out of the corner. Right out of that corner right there. Now I'm trying to track the leak. By jamming a piece of paper in there, I'm able to stop or at least dramatically slow the leak down below. So I'm thinking I've got a leak somewhere up in this seal. Problem I'm having is I can't get my head around to see what's in there. So I will probably review the tape to see what that'll tell me. Ah, there's a little water beading up right there. I got water coming out of there and running down that face. And coming out over here. I must be leaking higher up. So now I got to check the door seals. It's not leaking out the bottom because the bottom's full of water and it's not leaking right now. It's got to be leaking out of this side. Now there is a seam right there, and it looks like the water is hitting that and running down, and there's a dent in the seal right there. That would be a handy place for the water to run down through and come out. Still got a good drip going there. Any water that leaks past that door seal should fall back into that tray. It must be just tracking its way out of that door. So how do I stop that? There's a seam in the shell of the washer. Both sides. The water is leaking past the seal slightly, but even if it leaks past the seal, it should fall back down into the trap and go back into the water trough, because this seal is inside the perimeter of that water trough. But that seam made a little ridge there for the water to track and find its way out. More drip, and the water's not weeping past that seal. By shaving off that seam, I think I've solved the problem.
That was a miserable exercise. Me and Leanne on the floor just don't get along well. But I'm glad that I think I stopped the leak. Glad that I think I've stopped the leak. Kind of an odd way of saying it. I've stopped the leak. Funny thing is, I think it's because the seal got hard and it leaked more. A little bit didn't really bother a whole lot because in all the wash and everything going on, it wasn't much of a problem. But I think the seal on the door is the initial issue. I'm going to have to see if I can buy another door seal for a Kenmore dishwasher. This is an old one. It was in the house when we bought it, and I don't know how much luck I'm going to have. The rest of it works just fine, so hopefully I'll be able to fix it. If you have any suggestions for a new video, questions about today's video, or any of the other videos on the channel, just drop a note in the comments below. You know I read them all. Thanks for watching. And there. That knocks a big one off the list.